In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark sales invoice as paid in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a payment against an existing invoice so your books stay accurate and up to date. This walkthrough assumes you already have an invoice created and that you've received payment from your customer, whether by bank transfer, cash, check, or another method. Start by opening Zoho Books and heading to the left-hand menu. From there, go to the Sales section. This is where all your sales-related activities live, including quotes, invoices, and payments. Next, open the Invoices area. You'll see a list of all your invoices with their statuses, customers, and amounts. If you have a long list, feel free to use the search bar or filters to quickly find the specific invoice you're working on. Before moving forward, glance at the customer name, balance due, and due date to confirm you've got the right one. Once the correct invoice is open, look for the option to record payment. Clicking. This doesn't charge your customer. It simply logs the money you've already received. Think of it as telling Zoho Books, this invoice has been paid, so your reports and balances reflect reality. In the payment form, enter the amount received. If the invoice is fully paid, match the full balance due. If the customer paid only part of it, type the exact partial amount you received. Be precise here. This amount determines whether the invoice will be marked paid or partially paid. You may also see fields such as payment mode or a reference area. When available, using these to note a check number or transaction reference can make future reconciliation a lot easier. Next, enter the payment date. Choose the date the funds actually reached you or cleared your bank. Accurate dating helps keep your accounting period correct and makes bank reconciliation smoother later on. When everything looks good, select Save as Paid. Zoho Books will update the invoice status immediately. If you entered the full amount, you'll see it marked as paid. If you recorded a portion, it will show as partially paid, and the remaining balance will be clear. You can review the logged payment in the invoice's payment details for confirmation. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Double check the amount and date before saving to avoid corrections later. And if your form provides a notes or reference field, capture any transaction identifiers for your records. If you ever make a mistake, you can return to the same invoice to adjust or remove the recorded payment, subject to your permissions. And that's all it takes to mark a sales invoice as paid in Zoho Books.